Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, 2024. Welcome to the live trading room of Tim the Trader. Hope you all had a wonderful holiday and a nice weekend as well. It was nice having that extra day off, but now we just have 4 days this week to do what we normally do in 5 days. So we will see what we can do. This is Friday's chart that we have up. We had that nice swing high in the morning, then followed by a nice reversal and some good tradable moments all through the day. Had that nice sell-off that happened about starting about 12:19, went down to the low of the day, and then as usual, what happens is we get a big sell-off followed by a big reversal, and that's what happened. And then we ended up right back where we started in the day. The high actually ended up at let me let some folks in. Q closed at the high at 476.90. It's currently at 473.52. No gap play this morning. So let me come up to current times and let's see here. Okay, yeah, currently sitting at 473.51. We have 670,000 in on pre-market volume. We are trading tomorrow's expiration, that is September 4th, 2024, on your option chain. We're starting at the 473 on the call, the 474 on the put side, which are also at the money, known at the money. And that's where we'll start. Let's see, anything else before I toss it over to Mr. Keith? Nope, that's it. We'll go ahead and toss it over to Mr. Keith. Good morning, Keith. Well, I see his mic open, but I'm not hearing him. Keith may be having a microphone issue here. Well, we'll let him get that resolved. All right. Again, if you just joined us, we are in tomorrow's expiration, of course, September 4th, 2024. We're starting at the money at the 473 on the call side, 474 on the put side. Looks like we're going to open a little lower today. Looking at some numbers here, S&P is down by 34. Dow is down by 224, and NAS is down by 141. So opening with a negative market this morning. Let me go ahead and move this back here. And as always, make sure you have 20 cents between each of your hash marks. I just heard someone come in. Let me mute out Andrew. I see Keith's mic is still open, but we're not hearing anything from Keith yet.
Can you hear me now?
Oh, there he is. There he is. Good morning,
Sorry,
Keith.
I've taken my microphone with me on travel. Anyway, had a great weekend, and this morning we have ISM manufacturing numbers coming out at 10 o'clock, so we could get a pop there this morning at 10. Have another a number of announcements this week, mostly the jobs reports coming out Thursday and Friday, along with some other things that will come out as each day goes on. So that's about it from here at the moment.
Okay.
Well, we had some interesting jumps here early pre-market this morning.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah. I'm not sure what those were about, but we did. All right, we're coming up on 10 seconds. Start. There's 10. Stand by, everybody. We go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the bell. We are in. Yeah. So I have Dow down 198, NAS down. NAS hasn't reported yet. S&P down 32. Let me see if I can get NAS to report here real quick. There it is. NAS down 129. So Dow down 180, NAS down 129, S&P down 32. So definitely opening with a negative market. and pushing down a bit here. So I'm going to head over to the 473 on the put side. Not going to do anything yet. And as usual, we're looking for, that early breakout that we sometimes get. There we go. Get my volume chart set up on my upper left. And we are pressing down pretty good here. Get these up. We did cross, our MACD did cross in pre-market. All right, going over to the 473 on the put side. Prices are a little bit lower today. And I'm going to go ahead and enter this. And I am filled. Whoops. At 309. As it immediately reverses. I'll hold on to this. Hit a pretty big reversal, but we're heading back down again. Push that up. All right, the 308, 309. See if we can get past this little bit of resistance here. There we go. Up to 318.
303 to 322 out.
Oh, hey, welcome back, Ashim.
Thank you. Thank you.
There's Ashim already posting some profit here.
What? What?
Let's see, let me mute.
Team, are you still holding it?
Yep, I'm still in.
Okay.
Just waiting for this to get a little more profitable. And I'm going to go ahead and take profit now. At 327, 309 to 327. Like opening up like that. Take 18 cents off of that. Going immediately back over to the 472 on the put side. We'll just keep an eye on this. Nice long 5-minute candle. Really strong, pretty strong push down going on here. Let me switch over to 472 on the put side. Looks like we may be bottoming out here. Let's see what happens. Nope, still selling off. would like to jump back into another put, but this is kind of hold on a second. Wow, that is going down. Man, this is a big sell-off going on right now. All right, I'm going to go back over to the 472 on the put side. Stand by. See if we're going to see some reversal happen here. All right, beginning to show some signs of reversal. If we do end up reversing, I'm going to go over to the 471 on the call side. Well, we'll be putting a pseudo supply zone in on the top here, which I'm going to do right now while we kind of wait to see what happens here. And let's add the 10-cent zone. Let's activate that and clean this up a little bit right there. And while we've turned this red, while we're waiting for a trade to set up here. Go there and let's change the price level to red. There we go. Settling into a bit of a range here, so we'll just wait for this to sort itself out. Let's see what's going on in the broader markets. Dow is down 204, Nas down 202, S&P down 42. So pretty lot of down pressure on the market right now. So going back to the put side, I'm going to go to the 472 on the put side right now. Our MACD long-term on our 5-minute MACD is still showing a longer-term bias toward the put side. So, like I said, going to the 472 on the put side. Stand by. Pretty good volume. We've already got 3,400,000 in on underlying volume. Let's see, I'm going to mute a couple people here. There we go. All right.
So Tim, I'd gone out a week from Friday's expiration, so almost 2 weeks out.
Okay.
676 out at 714.
Wow. Nice.
And I caught that late getting in, but the longer term charts really showed still strong going down.
Mhm.
So I thought I'd try to at least take a little bit out of that, and I got a nice little bit out of it.
Yes, you did. Let's see here. Yeah, longer term charts are showing just nothing but red. Although we're getting a little pushback in on the 15-minute chart. But anyway, going over to the 471 this time on the put side, I'm going to go ahead and enter this again, folks. And I'm in at 318.
By the way, we're right at Friday's low.
Are we?
Yeah.
Getting a pretty good reversal here. Still in it though.
News pretty soon.
Thank you, sir. All right, I'm going to head over to the call side. I'm still in this put. I'm going to head over to the call side to the 471 on the call side as well. Maybe. Market maker trying to find a direction here.
Yeah, even the 5-minute MACD really hasn't started to turn up yet.
Mm-mm.
So I'd be cautious on the call, particularly given the red market.
Mm-hmm. We have crossed back over to a call side on our MACD, although we were fairly deep in our MACD. All right, I'm going to get rid of this put here, guys. Trying to close in on VWAP here.
Probably can do a demand zone in there.
Yeah. Let's get one in down here. Right there. And let's add in. There we go. All right, price coming back down. We got a demand zone in, a real demand zone. Price dropping again. See if it drops through the demand zone the first time. Yes, it is. Whereas it's rare that it drops through the first time and keeps going. So we expect a little bit of bounce off from the first time it goes through the demand zone. Won't bother me if it keeps going down. Getting a lot of volume in right now. Volume, let me see here, is up to 4,800,000. Getting a nice push down now. Good call on not getting into a put there, Keith.
Yeah, just still the longer term chart still showed going down.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes we just have to tighten up our seatbelt and wait through some reversals, looking at longer term indicators. Bouncing back up through the demand zone. Wow, something hit.
Wow. It's crazy.
Yeah. Still in this put, by the way. I didn't sell. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take profit. Out at 343, 318 to 343.
Fantastic.
All right, I'm going to go back to the 471 on the put side.
I went ahead and got in that put again.
Okay. Getting some higher volume here. Well, clearly the bias is all toward the downside. Let's see what we've got on our broader markets. It should be, yep. Dow is down 319, Nas is down 246, S&P is down 55. I am going to the 471 on the put side. Just want to see a little more push down here. Okay, I'm going to re-enter the 471. It went right by me. Let me get out of this. Went right by me. Going back to the 471, getting some push up here though. I'm going to hold off a little bit. We do have a cross, but our Heikenausi 1 minute is curling back, getting a hook on our 1 minute Heikenausi. It's about to cross if this goes up much further, but still our longer term bias is definitely toward the downside, toward the put side. So going over the 471 on the put side. Looks like it needs to do a little bit of reversing first.
Pop at the top.
Yeah, here we come in less than a minute to the pop. So I'm going to hold off on any trades until we get through the pop. Probably going to pop down anyway. Go with the market trend.
We can only hope.
All right, here we are coming up to the pop. Here we go. 2, 1, in. Yep, there it goes. There you go, Keith.
Yeah,
Just for you.
I appreciate that.
Oh, look at it go. So that shows you definitely the bias toward the put side. Definitely. Market maker wants to continue pushing price down. Dow down 316, Nas down 260, S&P down 55. And I'm going over to the 471 on the put side again. Price coming back up to where it was before it started the pop.
Not supposed to do that. Come on.
No.
Get down there.
All right, I'm going to create a new demand zone. Go. Let's give that an extra day. And we're going to turn this into a minor zone. Turn it gray. And turn the price level to gray. And there is a minor zone. Okay. Let's see here. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this pseudo zone and we're going to move it down to this price agreement level right here. Just get rid of the pseudo zone, bring it down into a proper supply zone. There we go. All right, price should bounce off the supply. It's not even going to get that far. All right, price coming back down, about to break through the zone again. There it goes. And still looking at the 471 on the put side. I'm going to go ahead and enter this. And I'm in at 365, excuse me.
$19.61.
I'm sorry. Our MACD is crossed again under our 1 minute Heikenausi MACD has crossed. Still in this put trade, just waiting for some push down.
I am too.
You too?
Yep. I'm just waiting for you to get out so it really pushes down.
Yeah, yeah. You know, that's exactly what's going to happen here. And I'm getting ready.
I'm going to try to get, well, I still got a ways to go yet.
I'm going to take profit here. And bounce right there. It goes 365 to 379.
I think I got out. I got out for 705 to 746.
Nice.
41
Nice.
cents.
All right.
Now,
So
granted, mine are more expensive, but I've gained 79 cents on 2 trades today.
nice. And I'm up 3 trades plus 57.
That's great, Tim. That's great.
Yeah, you too. So had a doji there and a big reversal, as we would expect off a big doji. We've got 7,658,000 in on the underlying volume. And Dow is now down 430, Nas down 266, S&P down 64. Really just pretty much all sell off this morning. We've had some minor, well, we've had some good reversals for sure, but just unable to really turn it around. But with this much negative market, we're not expecting a huge turnaround, at least not yet. I mean, it probably won't stay like this all day. We will get, once price gets down to a certain point and it becomes a bargain, we'll start seeing the buyers come in and start buying up price again.
I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
All righty. All right, so we are trying to continue to sell off here. I'll just keep an eye on the 470 on the put side. Kind of going a bit sideways now. We're in a range right now. I'll look at our wider market. So still the 15 and 30 minute are definitely showing continuation down. Wow, continuing down. All right, 470 on the put side. Let this reverse. Just keeping an eye on the 470 on the put side.
Yeah, I'd be looking at that too, but I have to leave in about 12 minutes, so I don't want to be in a trade.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna not do that, but I agree. I think it's another good time to get in.
Okay. Then I say let's get in. All right. In on the 470 on the put side, in at 362.
You know, today's a perfect example where you can make money even if the market's going down. So
Mm-hmm.
that's what I love about this technique.
Let's see, 360.
You getting out of that one, Tim?
Not yet. Not quite profitable yet.
Okay, you ought to be getting close.
You would think.
Yeah, it's about, I guess it's about right where the price was, the one I was looking at to get in.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's about break even.
Just had a big tranche of buy orders there come in, pushing up price, probably temporarily. Looks like we're getting ready for another demand zone.
So that 15-minute chart, MACD, finally is, I mean, it's still going down stronger than the control line, but it finally turned a little bit. Not much, though. Still a lot of downward pressure.
We're going to turn this into a minor zone or HSV 60. And the price level, turn that gray. There we go. New demand zone.
by the way, while we're watching this here, I came across was trying to do a way to be able to do a screen share on some of the stuff, either on another computer or to my phone when I'm away from my desk, so I can still track charts. And
Mm-hmm.
started using over the weekend Google Remote Desktop.
Mm-hmm.
I can zero in on just really the details on a couple of these charts and have them either on my phone or on another computer when I'm away from my big computer here.
That's great. That's a good idea.
Yeah. Hopefully that's going to continue to work out well. That way I don't have to sit here and watch it here at my desk all day.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm out in my shop making sawdust or something, I can have my other laptop out there zeroing in on one of the charts. And if things look good, I can just come on in here and do my trade.
Very good.
Tim, I think you're going to get a crossover on the Heikenase MACD again, and you'll be in good shape here.
Mm.
Well, Tim, I got to run. So
Okay.
um, we'll see you in the morning.
I will talk to you later.
All right. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
And by the way, Tim, I'm going to send you some chart stuff this afternoon
Okay.
for tomorrow's afternoon session.
All right, great. Thank you. Yeah, tomorrow afternoon, folks, second session, Keith is going to be doing a little segment on some of the stuff he's been working on, kind of bring us up to date. Let's see if we get a bounce off of this minor zone. See how price reached up to the minor zone and bounced off of it? Again, showing you the strength of these zones. Trying to press down through the demand zone again. About to cross on our Heikenasi. 5-minute chart is deflecting away. Good heavens. Come on, break on through. There we go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take profit here at 383. So 362 to 383. Again, had to wait through a pullback there. That's a nice trades this morning. Really, really nice trades. Plus 21, 57, 67, 77, 78. So up plus 78 this morning off of 4 positive trades. So starting off great for the week. So we are just a little over an hour in. We've got 10,200,000 in on the underlying. Let's see what the broader markets are looking like. So Dow is down 495, almost 500 points. Nas down 333, S&P down 77. A little bit of reversal going on here. Boy, you can tell how strong this push down is just by every time we've had a new zone, it's pushed through the first time. Well, not so much on that last or the first or the last minor zone, but this zone pushed through immediately, not immediately, had to reverse, but did push down pretty pretty strong. At some point, though, we are going to get a reversal and price will start climbing back out of this low. May not be till this afternoon, but I'd take advantage of this direction while we can. It's going sideways right now. You guys, you excuse me 1 minute. I'll be right back. All right, let's see. 468 on the put side. I'm going to go ahead and enter this. And in at 330. Up to 334. Excuse me. Up to 338. I'm going to go ahead and take profit here. And out at 346. 330 to 346. 78, 88, 94. So 5 trades, all positive, plus 94. And it's still going. Love these directional days, boy. It's just low-hanging fruit for us. All right, I'm going to head back to the 467 on the put side, 467. Got 12,163,000 on the underlying volume. Dow's down 478, Nas down 405, S&P down 84. S&P is really down. That's very telling. Let's see. Yep. Let's see here. Yeah, 467 on the put side. Trying to mount a little reversal here. A lot of volume coming in right now. Trying to mount a reversal here. We'll see how long this lasts. Our MACD on our Heikenhaus chart is already down to 1.1, negative 1.1. That's pretty low. And it's been down here for a while, usually telling us there's going to be a pretty big reversal happening here at some point soon. Which is okay. We've had a good morning. Well, guys, I think what we're going to do this morning, we've had good trades. Probably not going to make any more trades this morning. You could continue trading this morning. It looks like this trend down is going to continue. It's not showing any signs, but again, I'd be cautious. If you start seeing some major reversal, form here, be no more puts. But I think we're going to go ahead and just go ahead and call it a morning here 5 minutes early. We've done our work for the day. Time to go out, go enjoy your day. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and wrap it up for this morning. And I will see you all tomorrow morning, bright and early. Have a great afternoon. Stay cool. Thanks for supporting the room, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.